Can you tell us how you came across this project and what did you think of the script when you first saw this?
我喺應該係24年嘅年底度第一次接觸邱導演嘅。咁嗰陣時我哋經過中間有個朋友介紹，咁就第一次同導演食飯見面嘅時候，咁導演嗰時係未有完整嘅劇本嘅，咁佢就有大約同我講解過呢個故事會講啲乜嘢，係源自一個真實嘅案件發生，去再去創造出嚟。咁已經雖然個劇本未有晒，但佢已經同我講話係會有love scene，會有啲比較，會有用同性嘅題材。咁就我喺嗰時就咁聽個簡介嘅時候，我已經首先我俾個真人真事嘅事件，我係有trigger 到我覺得，呢件事好有趣，好得意，我好想知道究竟佢發生乜嘢事。然之後就開始慢慢同導演去傾，我諗周旋咗成個過程，我諗大概有5到6個月左右啦。去到最後，終於就經過公司嘅同意，就可以終於接拍到導演呢套戲。
So we first met in late 2024 through a mutual friend. At that point, Herman didn't have a complete script yet, but he told me the story and he told me that it would involve love scenes and some homosexual elements. And when I first heard that it was based on this real bombing, I was actually quite intrigued. I really wanted to hear more of it. So we negotiated back and forth for about 5 to 6 months. And after that, when my management gave the all clear, I decided to join the project.